Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're reviewing the DJI Mini 4K, one of the best beginner-friendly camera drones available. If you've been looking for a lightweight drone that captures stunning 4K video without breaking the bank, this one deserves your attention. The first thing that makes the DJI Mini 4K stand out is its ultra-lightweight design. Weighing under 249 grams, it's incredibly portable and easier to carry on trips, hikes, vacations, or outdoor adventures. In many countries, drones under this weight have fewer regulatory requirements than heavier models, though you should always check your local drone laws before flying. Now let's talk about the camera. The DJI Mini 4K records 4K Ultra HD video at 30 frames per second, producing sharp footage with vibrant colors and excellent detail. Whether you're filming landscapes, travel videos, family events, or content for YouTube and social media, the image quality is impressive for a drone in this price range. One of its biggest advantages is the 3-axis mechanical gimbal. Instead of shaky footage, the gimbal keeps videos smooth and stable, even when the drone is moving or flying in moderate wind. Combined with 4x digital zoom, you can frame your shots without getting too close to your subject. Flight performance is equally impressive. With up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single battery, you'll have plenty of time to capture multiple scenes before needing to recharge. The drone also features level 5 wind resistance, helping maintain stable flight during breezy conditions. DJI's O2 digital video transmission system allows you to stream live video from distances of up to 10 kilometers in ideal conditions, providing a reliable connection and clear image while flying. Beginners will also appreciate intelligent safety features like auto return to home, which automatically brings the drone back if the battery gets low or the signal is lost. Using the DJI Fly app, flying becomes simple thanks to easy controls, intelligent flight modes, and step-by-step tutorials that help new pilots get comfortable quickly. Overall, if you're searching for an affordable drone that offers true 4K recording, excellent stabilization, long battery life, and DJI's trusted reliability, the DJI Mini 4K is one of the best values available. While it doesn't include advanced obstacle avoidance found on premium models, it's an outstanding choice for beginners, travelers, and content creators. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.